There are lots of helpful tools at Transfer Virginia. Under Transfer Tools, let's look at Where Will My Course Transfer? This is really designed to help a student who has taken a college. There are lots of helpful tools at Transfer Virginia. Let's take a look at Where Will My Course Transfer? This is really designed to help that student who has taken a class through a Virginia college learn how it will transfer to a different Virginia college. And so I want to click on Where Will My Course Transfer? And the example that I'll use today, I was a dual enrollment student at a high school, and I took an English 111 course that was offered from Germanna Community College in my high school. So I want to see how that Germanna Community College course will transfer. So I type in Germanna Community College, start typing, and the pop-up comes up. And I took English 111. Make sure that you get the full title of the course in there, and then click search. And the resulting display starts with 4 years and 2 years or farther on farther pages. But this is how English 111 College Composition 1 will transfer to the four-year universities. So it might be straightforward, like George Mason University will transfer that in as ENGH 101 composition. Or it might be a little bit more complicated. James Madison University requires that students take both English 111 and 112 to receive that writing credit. But that is spelled out in their notes, so it's really clear. This might help a student who isn't sure if they want to take course A or course B, figure out where those courses will transfer if they're debating between colleges. It's always best to talk with your advisor, usually at the community college, but maybe at the four-year university, to make sure that you do take the best class for that transfer. So I hope this helped you figure out where will your course transfer.